Hello.
Hi, Boo-Boo.
I have been eating, and I ate one of those ice cream sandwiches.
How'd that work out?
Delish. So good.
So delicious.
Thank you.
Hey, let's talk about this great low-profile bowl, because this great low-profile bowl is designed to do multiple jobs in your kitchen.
Absolutely. I love to call it a 3-in-1. It's a centerpiece, it's a serving platter, and of course, it's a baker because it's 2.5 quart capacity. You have that low profile here. It's about 4 inches. And then you have those recessed handles. If you're picking up Old World, you have that braiding detail that runs around the edges. If you're picking up Floral lace, you have, of course, the beading. So again, I love everything about this silhouette. Perfect paella, perfect pasta, perfect Caesar salad bowl, perfect everything bowl.
And you're going to love also that this is stoneware, so it's going to keep cold, cold.
Yes.
Hot, hot. Put a great summer salad in here.
Love.
Mayonnaise-based potato salad or macaroni salad. Whatever you're doing, coleslaws, they'll stay frosty cold.
They will.
But if you want to bake a peach cobbler in here, well, you can do that too.
Oh, get out of my brain.
Stop it. All right, let's go through our color choices. And guys, probably the best way to go about this is to shoot profiles. So we'll come across and we'll show you what we got. This is confetti. 200 left in the confetti. Here's light blue in floral lace. This is blue Old World. Blue floral lace, always our most popular. Then we move into red Old World and red floral lace. This is cranberry Old World and cranberry floral lace. Green Old World, which started the entire Temp-tations line. And then we've got green in the floral lace. Floral lace in the green, fewer than 200. Jump down here, we've got it for you in beautiful brown Old World. And beneath that, we're gonna have to come way, there we go, perfect. We're gonna have to show that because that's chocolate. Then we've got it for you in your spice Old World, spice floral lace. This is black Old World and black floral lace. Remember your floral lace will have the beaded border. Here's eggplant in the Old World and eggplant in the floral lace. This is, comparative retail is $41. We're over $18 less, Tara.
That's amazing.
So really fantastic. Use this as a great big serving platter. Take it to the barbecue to get all the steaks and burgers and dogs off and bring it to the picnic table to the hungry crowd. Or maybe the grilled corn, bacon this, whatever you love. That's the beauty of this kind of piece.
Look at how beautiful this is. When we talk about one dish cooking, yes, we call it our centerpiece bowl, but it's so much more. As we said, you could just put fruit inside here. We did a full meal where we have our chicken parts, we have all of our roasted vegetables. We could have done all of this on the grill, put it right inside this bowl, and brought it to the table. Look how stunning that is. And again, that's that great capacity, 2.5 quarts with the recessed handle. Ooh, that's hot. With the low profile. And again, oven safe up to 500 degrees. You can put it in the fridge, the freezer, the microwave, and of course, the dishwasher when you want to go ahead and clean it.
Now, floral lace in the blue, fewer than 300 now to go around. Always super popular. Now, confetti, only 150 left to go around now. This is getting very, very popular. Everybody's excited about having the larger pieces, and this is one of the largest pieces you offer, isn't it?
It is, absolutely. In our centerpiece collection, we love to talk about centertaining, where again, the center of your table becomes the runway and the roadmap for all of your memories and traditions. So whether you're serving up your Mexican street corn, that is always a huge tradition for me in the summertime, or you're making one of David's favorites and you're making that beautiful rustic peach cobbler. Look how gorgeous that is with the crust folding over. You get that beautiful crisping. We baked right in here. You could take KitchenAid hand mixer, mix right in here, put it in the oven, cook right in here, slice and serve right in here. That's the beauty of Temp-tations.
800 of these are gone. We're very, very busy. And you know what? I want you to just check out the size of this bad boy. All right? This is well over 2 quart capacity, is that right?
Yes.
So come over here, we'll show you what I'm talking about. Look how big this is. This is a very large piece. So it's designed to be your table centerpiece. It's designed to be your baker. It's designed to be your cold salad server. Whatever the case may be, you've got now the big piece for those special occasions.
Yes.
And you've also got the low profile, so you can speak over this at the table.
Absolutely.
I'm a big fan of tablescapes, but what I don't love is when things are so tall, you're doing one of these.
Yeah. Could you
Hi, how are you? Yeah, could you pass the salt? Yeah, thanks. All right, so let's talk to you about color choices. We'll come in again from the side so we can show you all the great colors. I have fewer than 100 left in confetti. This is what Tara collects. I know a lot of you love it. Please get yours now while you can. Here it is in the light blue. Some might call that Carolina blue. I know I would. Here is your Old World in the blue. This floral lace blue, wildly popular tonight.
So gorgeous.
Okay, in the light blue and the blue floral lace, $2.50 each.
Wow.
Okay, moving over to our red Old World and red floral lace. This is cranberry Old World and cranberry floral lace. Then I've got it for you in green Old World and green floral lace. $150 now in that green floral lace.
Beautiful.
Jump down here to the brown Old World. This is what I collect. Beneath that is the floral lace in chocolate. Then we move into the spice in Old World. This is floral lace in spice. Then I've got black Old World and black floral lace. And then finally we've got it for you in eggplant in the Old World and eggplant in the floral lace. Now, how many easies is this tonight, you guys? It's on 3, but if you use a cue card, it's 5.
Ooh, I love that.
It's all part of our birthday celebration, so we want to be able to have the birthday and give you all the gifts, which I think is the best way to go about it. If I never had to have a birthday again, but was able to get all the gifts.
What? Could you grab something out of the fridge just because you're over there?
Sure.
Thank you. Because of those great recessed handles, easy for David to grab right out of the fridge. So whether you're doing something cold that you're putting in the freezer or you have a beautiful fruit salad, how perfect is that? And it's going to stay nice and cold. So as David mentioned, your pasta-based, your mayonnaise-based salads, everything that you love around the summertime, your fruit salads stay nice and cold because of that great stoneware. We always want to give you a centertaining tip. This centerpiece bowl, you could fill it with some fruits, you could fill it with some hollies and berries around the holiday, and again, put a flameless candle right inside there, and now you have turned your baker bowl into a beautiful centerpiece that we love to call centertaining.
And you know what? That looks great for summer, and then swap it out for autumn.
Exactly.
Swap it out for holidays. Swap it out for wintertime, for Valentine's Day, then Easter, and right back in the springtime.
And there
right?
you go. Yes.
We love all of this. Don't miss out on this opportunity. 1,600 of these are now gone.
Everybody, you're
Confetti just sold out.
Oh, my fave.
All right. Confetti is gone.
Has left the building.
All right, so we'll pop that down below. Now, let's go through colors again. Might be a good idea to go through colors again. We'll do this quickly and we'll come from the sides. Light blue, floral lace, $150. Here is Old World blue, and then blue in the floral lace. $150. Okay. Red Old World and red floral lace, cranberry Old World, cranberry floral lace, green Old World and in the green floral lace, $150 remaining. Down below, I've got brown in Old World. Then I've got floral lace in chocolate. Here is your spice in Old World and spice in floral lace, black Old World and black floral lace, and then the eggplant in Old World and the floral lace in the eggplant. John, how many gone now? Nearly 2,000, my darling, are gone. Come with me.
Oh, I'm coming with you.
Come this way so we can come over and say hello to all of our friends.